Morning children. Today we will see question number 4, solve using the identity method. First question is 2a plus 5 whole square. How to solve it? 2a plus 5 whole square. It is in the form of identity a plus b whole square. What it is the identity? A square plus b square plus 2ab. What is the value of a? The value of a is 2a. What is the value of b? Value of b is 5. Now you put the value of a and b over here. The value of a is 2a whole square plus 5 whole square plus 2 into a is 2a, into b is 5. Now 2a whole square, square of 2 is 4, a square will be a square. 25 square means 5 into 5, 25. 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20, 20a. Is it clear? Now the second question. Second question is 2m square upon 3 plus 5 upon 6 n square whole square. It is also in the same identity a plus b whole square. Its identity is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. What is the value of a? A is 2m square upon 3. The value of b is 5 upon 6 n square. Is it clear? Now we have to put in the value of ab and 2ab. What is the value of a? 2m square upon 3 whole square plus the value of b is 5 upon 6 n square whole square plus 2 into a. Value of a is 2 upon 3 m square multiply 5 upon 6 n square. Now you cancel with the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now the square of 2 is 4. M square will be m power 4 upon square of 3 is 3 into 3 is 9. Plus 5 square is 25, n power 4 upon 6 square is 36. Plus from numerator and denominator will anything cancel? No. Then multiply 2 into 1 2 into 5, that is 10 m square n square upon denominator 3 3s are, that is 9. This is the answer. Is it clear? Now the third question. What is the third question? Minus 8 x power 3 plus 5 y cube whole square. In the first term there is minus. We will transpose it. We will change it. 5 y cube minus 8 y cube whole square. You bring this 5y cube in the front and minus 8y cube in the second term. Now it is in the formula of a minus b whole square. What is the identity? A square plus b square minus 2ab. The identity is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now see. What is the value of a? The value of a is 5y cube. What is the value of b? It is 8x cube. Is it clear? Now put the value. A square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. This dot means it is multiplied. This dot means it is multiplied. Then square of 5 is 25 y power 3 to the 6 plus 8 square is 64. 3 to the 6 minus 2 5s are 10. 10 8s are 80. X cube y cube. Is it clear to all of you? Now we will see question number 5. Using the identity method to find the value of the problem given below. We have to use identity. The question is 41 whole square. You can break 41. 40 plus 1 whole square you can write. It is in the form of identity a plus b whole square. It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. What is the value of a? A is 40 and the value of b is 1. Now we have to put the value over here. A, that is 40 square, plus B, that is 1 square, plus 2 into A is 40, B is 1. The square of 40, 40 into 40, that means 4 into 4, 16, and 00, plus square of 1 is 1, plus 4 2s are 8 and 1 0, 80. Now you add all the three, that is 1681, 1681 is the answer. Now the next question is 69 whole square. 69 whole square, you can write 70 minus 1 whole square. 69 is nearest to 70, so 70 minus 1 whole square. It is in the identity of a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. What is the value of a? The value of a is 70 and the value of b is 1. Now put the value of a and b, that is 70 square plus 1 square minus 2 into 70 into 1. Square of 70 is 7 7s are 49 and 00, plus 1 minus 2 7s are 14, 140. Now add these two, it will be 4901 minus 140. Now you subtract it. It will be 4761. Third question is 97 whole square. 97 is nearest to 100. That is means 100 minus 3 is 97 whole square. It is in the also form of identity a minus b whole square. It is a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. This dot means it is multiply. Now the value of a is 100 and the value of b is 3. Now we will put the value 100 square plus 3 square minus 2 into 100 into 3. Square of 100 means 100 into 100, that is 10,000. Then plus 3 into 3 is 9 minus 2 3 just 6 and 00, that is 600. Now add this, that will be 1009 minus 600. This will be 1009 because here it is 10,000. 1009 minus 600. If you subtract, you will get 9,409. 9,409. Now the fourth question, that is 84 square. 84, it is nearest to 80, that means 80 plus 4 whole square. It is in the form of identity a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. What is the value of a? The value of a is 80 and the value of b is 4. 80 a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Square of 80 is 8 8 ja 64, 00, plus square of 4 is 4 into 4, 16, plus 4 2s are 8, 8 8 ja 64 and 1 0. Now add all the three numbers, that will be 7056. Is it clear? Now see question number 6. Use the identity method to find the value of. We have to use identity to find the value of this multiplication. We cannot multiply directly. We have to use identity. The question is 105 multiply 95. 105, it is nearest to 100 plus 5. 95 is nearest to 100 minus 5. It is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. Its identity is a square minus b square. What is the value of a? A is 100 and the value of b is 5. So 100 of square minus 5 of square. 100 of square means 100 into 100. That means 4 times 0. It is 10,000. Minus 5 5s are 25. You subtract, you will get 9,975. Now question number 2, that is 92 multiply 88. 92 is nearest to 90. 90 plus 2 92. 88 is nearest to 90, that is 90 minus 2. It is also in the form of same identity a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. the value of A is 90 and the value of B is 2. That means 90 square minus 2 square. 90 square, that means 90 into 90. 9 nines are 8100. Minus square of 2 means 2 into 2, that is 4. You subtract it, you will get 8096. Is it clear? The third question, that is 503 multiply 497. 503 is nearest to 500, that means we can write 500 plus 3, and 497 is nearest to 500, that means 500 minus 3. It is also in the same identity, a plus b, a minus b. Its identity is a square minus b square. Here a is 500 and b is 3. That means 500 square minus 3 of square. The square of 500 means 5 into 5, 25, and 4 times 0. Minus square of 3 is 3 into 3, that is 9. You subtract it, you will get 49,991. Is it clear?